So let's now go to another circuit failure. We made a domino AND gate. So pre-charge gate, when the pre-charge is there, then y is equal to 0. Then you evaluate. But after some time, y spontaneously flips to 1. What is happening?
Too much leakage.
Too much leakage. So what do?
It's a keeper.
You would want to use a keeper. Okay, great. So leakage is the problem, and you would want to use a keeper so that y does not flip unnecessarily. So what should be the current that this keeper should give?
To support the subthreshold leakage of the PDN network.
Yes, to compensate the subthreshold leakage that is happening through the PDN. Okay.